Hi, my name is Bryan Whitaker. I'm with Additives. We offer a full line of purging compounds, foaming agents, and today I'm going to show you how our newest product, EcoPro 360, which is a non-hazardous chemical, works on dyes. This specific dye is used in the PVC process, which I'm certain if you guys are around that resin at all, you know that the vapor and the fume that it gives off kind of rusts everything in sight. So I just want to do a quick demonstration to show you how effective it is in that. This does leave behind a preventative coating, so when you put these dyes back into production, it'll help prevent this rust from forming again. I'm going to do a little test section up here. I always recommend doing 30 to 60 seconds at first. We'll do a little section down there. I'm using a paintbrush to showcase the fact that a little bit of this material goes a long way. A lot of shops are used to aerosols and they go spray happy, for lack of a better term. And I want you guys to know or show you that how effective this material is just using a little bit versus spraying half a can of an aerosol of whatever you may currently be using. I'm going to use a Scotch-Brite to kind of speed up the process a little bit. You'll notice that I'm not applying a lot of pressure. So with that, it's probably been about 30 seconds. Now, since this is the first time that we've cleaned this tool and it doesn't have that preventative coating, I expect a little bit of underlying rust when I remove the first layer. So we'll give that a nice little scrub. In this section, I'm going to wipe it dry. So you can see the area, it did clean up a majority of that first layer, but I do have a little bit of that underlying rust. So to give you guys a better example, I'm going to apply a second coating on the same area. We're going to let it go for about a minute now. That way it can really work into it. And then I will do one layer over here so you can kind of see the difference between first and second pass. Again, this product is EPA tested and verified, non-hazardous, non-toxic. It can be reused, obviously not in this application where we're having material loss, which again is why I'm showing the a little bit goes a long way. But we do have a cart that allows you to pump this chemical through your cooling passages, heat exchangers, things of that nature, and you're able to recapture the material, filter it out, and continue reusing it, which is one of the main highlights of this product. So now that about 45 seconds to a minute have elapsed, I'm going to work on that top side underlying rust just a little bit more. I also want to remind our viewers, you can find a link to this product as well as our other ID Additives products in the description below. If you like our videos, please hit the like button to subscribe. That's done. I'll go ahead and wipe through. You want to wipe it dry. You want to get all the excess material off. If you leave it behind, it's going to leave a chalk white residue, which can be reversed by either a warm, damp cloth. Water breaks this material down, or you can reapply the EcoPro 360 itself. So you'll notice that the second pass, I got a lot of that underlying rust. Here's the first pass to kind of give you guys a before and after. But once this is completely cleaned up, it's going to go back into production. The next time this comes out, if a little bit of surface rust does form, I probably will not even have to use a Scotch-Brite on this. I'll likely just spray it with a brush and wipe it off clean. So that's our EcoPro 360.